Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install OBS Studio on a Chromebook. Linux Crostini setup guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step or enable Linux Beta on your Chromebook. Content navigate to your Chromebook settings in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click on Linux Beta. Click Turn On and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Linux container. This process involves choosing a username and disk size, and it may take several minutes to download and install the necessary files. Once complete, a terminal window will automatically open, indicating that your Linux environment is ready for use. Step update and upgrade Linux packages content before installing new software. It's essential to ensure your Linux environment is up to date. Open your Linux terminal. If it's not already open, you can find it in your app launcher. Under Linux apps, type the command sudo apt update and press enter. This command refreshes the list of available packages. Once that completes, type sudo apt upgrade and press enter. This command upgrades all installed packages to their latest versions with the automatically confirming all prompts. This process may take some time depending on how many updates are available. Step install OBS Studio content with your Linux system updated. You can now install OBS Studio in the same terminal window. Enter the command sudo apt install OBS Studio v and press enter. This command instructs the package manager to download and install OBS Studio along with any necessary dependencies. The D flag will automatically confirm the installation. The download and installation time will vary depending on your internet connection and Chromebook's performance. Once the command completes, OBS Studio will be installed on your system. Step grant permissions for microphone and camera. Recommended content for OBS Studio to capture audio and video from your Chromebook's built-in microphone and webcam. You need to grant explicit permissions. Go back to your Chromebook settings in the left-hand menu. Click on Linux Beta. Under Linux Beta, look for options related to microphone and camera. Ensure that the toggles for both are enabled for the Linux environment. Depending on your Chrome OS version, you might find these under Manage OS devices or as separate toggles. This step is crucial for OBS to function correctly if you plan to record or stream using your Chromebook's integrated hardware. Step launch OBS Studio content. After successful installation and permission setup, you can launch OBS Studio. Close the terminal window. If it's still open, open your Chromebook's app launcher. Navigate to the Linux apps folder and you should find an icon labeled OBS Studio. Click on this icon to start the application. The first time you launch OBS, it may prompt you through an auto-configuration wizard which can help optimize settings for your system and intended use streaming or recording. Follow the wizard's instructions or close it to configure OBS manually.